just want to show you guys the project that I'm currently working on. I'm gonna use these plates in order to connect all the parts for the base. And then I'm gonna use a stepper motor, the driver with standard Arduino kit, and it's gonna be controlled with Node MCU. It's not decided yet whether the motor is going to be placed on side or in the middle of the base. And here we have a steering wheel. Please don't look at the quality, it's still a prototype. And here is our track, and it's going to rotate with different speeds. We're gonna place a magnet on steering rack and on our track. That's how we're gonna control our racing car. Thank you for watching. Like and follow for part 2.